Motorcycle accident lawyers play a critical role in representing individuals who have been involved in unfortunate incidents while riding their motorcycles. These specialized legal professionals possess a deep understanding of the unique complexities accidents and the law that govern them, with a focus on advocating for the rights and interests of their clients. They provide invaluable support during challenging times. When motorcycle accident occurred, the consequence can be devastating due to the limited protection that motorcycle offer compared to other vehicles. Riders are often more valuable to serious injuries, including broken bones, head trauma, spinal cord injuries, and road rash. In some tragic cases, fatalities may also occur. The physical, emotional, and financial toll on the victims and their families can be overwhelming, making the need of skill and comprehensive legal representation all the more critical. The primary responsibility of motorcycle accident lawyers is to guide their clients through the legal process, ensuring that they understand their rights and options. From the initial conclusion, these attorneys carefully assess the circumstances surrounding the accident, gather evidence, and interview witnesses to build a robust case. The work diligently to establish liability, identifying the negligent part responsible for the accident be in another motorized, a road maintenance authority, or even a motorcycle manufacturer in case involving product defects. With extensive knowledge of traffic laws and personal injury recording, motorcycle accident lawyers know how to navigate the complexities of insurance claims and negotiations. They liaise with insurance companies on behalf of their clients, advocating for fair and just compensation to cover medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, and pain and suffering. Their goal is to secure maximum compensation, ensuring that victims can focus on their recovery without bearing the financial burden resulting from the accident.